Hi, my name is Oktay. Welcome to today's video about the tram system of the city of Chemnitz. This is a beautiful picture of Chemnitz, which is the third biggest city in the German state of Saxony, in eastern Germany. The population is 249,500 people. Chemnitz was first documented in 1143. Its name comes from a Sorbian language, Kamienica, which means stony brook. So this word has given the city as well as the river Chemnitz its name. And this picture, the building in the foreground is the university library. And this is the network of the Chemnitz Tram. It is a length of 57 kilometers. There are 5 city lines, and they have a frequency of 10 minutes. Plus there are 4 regional lines with a frequency of 30 or 60 minutes. This is a picture of the central station, Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. You can see the 3 tram models. At the left, that's the Skoda 4 City model. In the middle, the red tram, that's Adtrans Variobahn. And at the right, that's the model Foslo Citylink. This is an older model, Tatra T3, in the same station, Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof, central station. This model was retired in 2019. This is a map of the lines 1 and 2. The one line starts at the west in Schönau, goes to the inner city, ends at Brückenstraße. And then it changes its number, becomes the number 2, goes to the southeast, and ends at Bernsdorf. And same way back. This is a picture of the western terminus of the line 1 in Schönau. It's a transit station to the bus line 41. Bus line 41 brings the passengers from further west to this station, Schönau. Right now there's a maintenance work on this line 1. This is a picture from the inner city at the station Roter Turm, the line 1. Roter Turm means red tower. This is the building right. This is a same building at the right. That's the Roter Turm. It was built in the 12th century, and it is a symbol of the city of Chemnitz. This is the station Brückenstraße, where this line change happens. Line 1 becomes the number 2, and the line 2 becomes the number 1. And these 2 trams are of the model Variobahn. This is a statue of Karl Marx. From 1953 to 1990, the name of Chemnitz was Karl-Marx-Stadt, which means Karl Marx City. This is the station Bernsbach-Platz of the line 2, and you can see again that's the model Variobahn. This is the terminus of the line 2 at Bernsdorf. This model is again the model Variobahn. This is the model Skoda 4 City at the station Bernsdorf on the line 2. This is a picture from the side, and you can see it has 5 segments. The segments 4 and 2 have no wheelhouses, and they are free floating. This is a picture of the interior of the Skoda 4 City tram, and you can see it is a very spacious and a very nice tram. This is the line 3. It starts at the central station Hauptbahnhof, goes to the south, and ends at the station Technopark. This line has 11 stations. This is a picture from the central station Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. It's a very beautiful old station building. It was built in 1852. This is a picture of another train from the company Mitteldeutsche Regiobahn. This is an intercity train that connects Chemnitz to other cities around. This is a picture again from the central station Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. It shows you the 2 trains of the model Variobahn. At the right, that's the line 3, and at the left, that's the regional line CL. A picture of the line 3 at the station Bernsbach-Platz. This is the station TU Campus. Again, this model Variobahn. This is another train of the same model. This one has ads on the side. The terminus of the line 3 at the Technopark. This model is Skoda 4 City Tram. The yellow line 4 starts also at the Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof Center Station, goes to the south and ends at Hutholz. This line has 21 stations. This is a picture from the line 4 at the Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof Center Station. This is a closer picture of this model Variobahn on the line 4. This is another train with ads. This is a picture of the Skoda 4 City Tram on the line 4, and at the right the Variobahn. This is another picture of the model Skoda 4 City, the central station. This is a picture of the line 4 at the left and the regional lines C11 and C14 at the Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. A picture from the station Stefan-Heym-Platz. This is unusual because this is not the normal route of this line 4. In this picture, this tram has taken a detour. This is a picture near the station Omnibusbahnhof. This is a picture near the station Zentralhaltestelle. And this is the terminus of the line 4 at Hutholz. And this is again model Skoda 4 City. The line 5 starts also at the southwest at Hutholz, goes to the inner city but on another route, and ends at the east at the station Gablenz. This line has 28 stations. A picture from the terminus of the line 5 at the station Hutholz. This is station Scheffelstraße, and you can see there's a very nice old building. This is the station Gablenzplatz, line 5. This is near the station Pappelhain. And this is the terminus of the line 5 at Gablenz at the east. And I like they have written the name of the station in big letters on the station. This is a picture of a former line 6 at Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. You can see this is a tram with advertisement, and this is a nice design. This is an ad for a German TV station. The former line 6 is now part of the line C11. These are the 4 regional tram lines. The C11 is the most frequented line. That's why it's the only line with a 30-minute frequency. All other 3 lines have only hourly service. C11 starts at Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof, goes to the south to Stolberg. C13 comes from Burgstedt, goes to inner city, and continues to Aue. C14 comes from Mittweida, goes to Chemnitz Center Station and goes to the south to Thalheim. And the line C15 comes from Hainichen to the central station, Chemnitz, and ends at the station Technopark. This is a picture of the lines C11 at Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. This is a very successful line because of the passenger numbers. They are about 6 times that of the bus line that existed prior to this tram line. This is another picture of the line C11 at the station Zentralhaltestelle. This is the tram C11 at Chemnitz Karola-Straße. This is the model Vossloh Citylink, and it is diesel electric because these regional lines have sections that are not electrified. This is station Alt Chemnitz of the line C11. This is a bridge over the river Würschnitz at the station Friedrichstraße on the line C11. This is the terminus of the line C11 at the station Stolberg. This is a picture of a Variobahn at the station Stolberg. This station is a transit station to another train line, that's the RB92. This is the City-Bahn, RB92. It connects Stolberg to the town St. Egidien. This is where the line C13 starts at the station Burgstedt. And this is again the model Vossloh City Link, and you can see this is a section that is not electrified. At the right, there's a bus terminal. This is the interior of the model Vossloh City Link on the line C13. This is the line C13 near the station Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof center station. This on a not electrified section. This is a picture from the center station Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof on the line C13. These are two trains of type Vossloh City Link on the line C13 and C15 at the center station. This is a picture of the station Technopark on the line C13 of the loop. This is a picture from the station Zwönitz. Again, this is a section that is not electrified. This is another picture from the same station at Zwönitz. This is the terminus of the line C13 at Aue. Aue is a small town with a population of 20,000 people. This is the terminus of the line C14 at Mittweida. This is the line C14 at Chemnitz Central Station, Hauptbahnhof. This is the station Annenstraße of the line C14. This is the train C14 at in the street Reichenhainer Straße. This is the station Technopark. This is a picture of the line C15 at the entrance to the central station Chemnitz Hauptbahnhof. This is another picture near this central station. These are future plans of the Chemnitz tram system. You can see there are plans for a new branch to the northwest, Oberfrohna. And it could be that this system could be connected in the future to the city of Zwickau in the west. And this model is called Chemnitz Model, and what's special about this model is that it provides mobility to citizens of Chemnitz, but also to the regions around Chemnitz. That's what's special about this Chemnitz model, and it's a very successful model. Yeah. And this is a beautiful rail bus at station Stolberg that came out at a celebration in 2019. This not on a regular line, a very beautiful vehicle. And this is a nice sculpture of Rosina Schnorr in Aue. She was a businesswoman. She lived in the 17th century. And her biography is very interesting. You can check it out. It's a very beautiful sculpture. That was today's video about the Chemnitz tram lines. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.